low as 92.50 pesos, pwede ka na daw mag-import from China to Philippines. Totoo ba? Yes guys, totoo siya. Bumalik na ang most awaited promo ni Cargo Boss Philippines. Walang fixed rate, walang minimum CBM. And for as low as 92.50 pesos, pwede ka na mag-import from China to Philippines. Kahit maliit lang ang papa-import mo, pwedeng-pwede na. Kung balak mong magnegosyo this 2026, napakagandang opportunity nito para magsimula ka ng negosyo nang hindi mabigat sa bulsa. Perfect na perfecto kung gusto mo muna mag-test ng products bago ka mag-full scale. Guys, reminder lang, January 15 to January 31, 2026 for sea freight packages, nag-run ang promo na to. Kaya kung hanggang ngayon nagdadalawang isip ka pa rin para mag-import, guys, tanggalin nyo na yan dahil saglit lang to for limited time only. Kaya kung ready na kayo mag-start ng business this 2026, message nyo na kami sa Cargo Boss Philippines or book your shipment now. Bye!